Welcome back. Welcome back. She kissed me. She kissed me. See how? She give me the kiss. She give me the kiss. So, anyway, for Nigerian girls, easy bitch. They look mad. They form jealousy.
No.
What happened?
Do you know?
Crazy.
Why she not kiss for camera now behind
No,
camera? That boy just not for camera they kiss her.
No, she was shy of the camera.
She was shy of the camera.
She was shy of the camera. So she not kissed me for the front of the camera. She just run, go back. As I run follow at that time.
He go shock you now. Say you come back and talk. Say who kiss you?
No, as I run follow him. Before I enter for that cutting, she just drag me.
Just drag you. Say yeah, take her.
Use tongue, search all my mouth, clean everywhere. I rebrush now. You understand? After she kissed me, I was drugged.
Okay.
You understand? You know those kind of kisses, you kiss me.
You're high.
When they can't leave you, you don't do like this.
You're high.
You don't talk to her that thing. Anyway, say the lips, her lips, see the show. Not show too much. Not show too much. Amaka, thank you very much for being a good compatriot. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we get one correct bobo for the house. But if they do me like say, make I first play the video first. Before we continue.
He follow.
He follow. We'll play the video first, then from the video we'll come do proper introduction of the guy who gets inside the building, sharply. All right? So make we see the video of this particular performer, because we know say once you now see the video, we're not going to remember how the guy be, because based on the every way you do, right? So sharply.
I'm just nervous because I'm seeing superstars.
Nah, boy, what are you going to sing for us?
I'm doing all of me, but in my own version.
Go ahead.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in, you kicking me out. You've got my spinning you. No, kid you. I can't spin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride. And I'm so dizzy. You know what it means, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, cause all of me loves all of you. Baby, love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose and when you play, I give you all for me. You give me all, love you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, K-Peace in the building. Hey. Respect. Correct. And I will not say yes. When you watch that particular video, we'll remind you now of this particular guy and every way we do for that particular idol stage. K-Peace,
yes,
welcome my brother. Welcome my brother.
I mean, we do so.
Okay. Now, what is your original name first of all?
Okay, my own original name na Ogunrombi Olakunle Koya.
Ogunrobi.
Ogunrom.
Ogunrombi. What is the meaning?
Come on, deep,
deep, I want to go search deep things. But seriously, so, but what do your friends they call you?
My friends, they call me K-Peace.
K-Peace.
Everybody, even Momsi self, everybody.
Plus Momsi self?
Yeah, Momsi don't even forget say I be Kunle self.
K-Peace. So now after idols I be before?
No, K-Peace on day since. So we just can't launch them for there now.
For the whole thing, based on the launching things.
Yes.
Exactly. But see, this your audition thing, when you first enter,
Yeah.
Which mind you first carry enter that place? Say, come, oh. Say, everybody do the same thing. Make I go try on that thing.
You know, wetin make me do that thing where I do be saying.
Yeah.
I just hear everybody they do Western thing. Baby, you should let me love you.
Wow.
Let me be the one to give you everything. And I was like, oh, more waiting. Everybody just sabi sing for yeah.
Oh!
Okay, waiting me if you do now.
We go different.
We go sit there different. Okay. What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in, you kicking me out. You got like, yeah, spin you. No, kid, you, I can't pin you down. Kunle long koni lo, whoa.
Oh, yeah.
No, seriously. Wait. Because when I hear the whole thing, because inside that audition what you do just now, you still show different things. So
I tell you.
You show say, one, you know the song.
Yeah.
Two, your vocal strength
the
dey
R&B
there.
feel
The R&B feel still dey inside
yeah,
that. And then the Fuji thing, still dey inside the whole thing. So that one a full package like that.
Yeah, you get now so it be now. You get one person where even they tell me say, "Wetin happen? Why God can't get time for you well like this? Make you get voice, make you get face. Wetin happen? Say, well, now only you."
But so now not carry reach where you did like
Now
this.
God, now God, man.
But at the same time, I also ask this question because since R&B this and wetin be who and who they influence you for R&B?
Okay, when I did grow, I did listen to Donnell Jones, I did listen to Boys to Men, and I did listen to Joe.
Okay.
Then sometimes I listen to Craig David too.
Okay. Oh!
My God.
Well, we plenty. We do that one.
You know, say
We
Craig
plenty.
David get that Fuji touch too. Also say yes now.
Fuji touch.
Once in my life.
Yeah,
He gets am, but you know say na Yankee na. So he go sweet. But if you say the guy wants sing Fuji, he go achieve am.
You don't make it. It's sweet. Wow.
Once in my life, and I ever dance.
No, okay. Now that are the influence for R&B.
Yeah.
Your influence for Fuji music.
Okay, Fuji music, not be say I dey listen to Fuji music before. I not dey listen, even now, sef, I not dey listen to Fuji music. And Fuji music enter me through, you know, I be one of these hustlers where they sell for traffic one time.
Okay.
As in way back.
Way back.
Yeah. I be hustlers. As in, I dey sell gala, they sell pure water.
Serious?
Yeah.
We go talk about that one. We go talk
So,
about that
you know,
one.
they actually do all those things, then they play different people, they sell cassettes, way back now. They sell cassettes, so then they play all those things. So they enter me, no. Not until like, I think 8 years ago when I been day one choir way that they call Symphony of Praise. They write one song and then don't they find person where go do Fuji or sing. So, I sing this song now, must you do Fuji? They're going to say, we need Fuji on the song. Go one thing, I can say, okay, make I try now. So now the first time I try Fuji.
Meanwhile, all the things we don't do for streets, don't already dey inside for body.
I don't know how to enter self. Consciously, just enter.
So from there, you bust and give them.
So since then, I can't dey pray to God, say, I need one idea where I go fit take, you know, arrange myself for the music industry. Now, so God give me Fuji and B. Although I didn't name am sha.
Okay, Fuji and B.
Fuji and B. That's a fusion of R&B, blues, and Fuji music. Yeah.
So that means you know be say you really go through. Say maybe they listen to Pasuma steady.
No.
Or say at all.
No, I know
wow.
I know the hear Fuji music.
Meanwhile, suppose they listen to Fuji steady.
They
Don't be
don't
steady.
They see the hook.
They see the hook or something. Yeah. But this way they come out fluently. Let me say.
Nasty God, anyways.
Last. Nasty God. But that's what you see get under of your video where you can't perform the main thing because when you do this audition that time, the thing raw. They never touch they never touch some kind of places. Yeah. So when we see the particular video, make people for feel and make people know every can happen when they don't, you know, touch you to polish every up. Go watch the video sharp. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.